check out this hair dryer. This has some of the coolest features I've seen on a hair dryer. So starting with, it's magnetic. If you want to have the straightening nozzle, it also 360s, or you can put on a magnetic curling. Okay, that's cool. But the coolest thing are all the functions of this one. So when I turn it on, it's gonna get a little loud. So let me tell you about it first. Over here, you have your gentle wind, strong wind. So you have 2 levels there. And then this button, each time you hit it, it turns a different color and each one does something different. Okay, so I have it on gentle so I can kind of talk a little bit louder than it is. So blue's on right now. It's a nice cooler air. I hit it again, it turns green. This is for your scalp. So scalp mode up here at the roots. Hit it again, you're in purple. Comfort mode is what that one's called. One more time, and now I'm in red. That is the hottest. It can get up to 100 degrees Celsius. Hit it one more time, and you get into a hot and cool mode. So it does it on its own, switching back and forth, which can help heat up your hair, seal it into place, and repeat, repeat, repeat. So let's use it. I have always wanted to do my hair curly with one of these on a hair dryer, but I've never mastered it till now. So what I really love about this, and look at that volume, I like that there's 2 different options. So I was able to really focus at the root and make that so it's kind of straight. So my waves usually start up at the crown. It doesn't always look that great, but this gave me that ability to have my natural waves showing and my hair dried. I love this. It's amazing. You can also see how small it is if you want to pack it up and use it to travel. Comes with its own little carry case as well. An amazing hair dryer I think you're going to love.